To search for the best public transportation options using Best Places, start by visiting their website and navigating to the transportation section. This website provides a comprehensive guide to public transportation in various cities across the United States, making it easier to find the best options for your needs. First, enter the city or zip code of the area you are interested in and click on the search button. This will take you to a page that provides an overview of the public transportation options available in that area, including buses, trains, and subways. Next, use the filters provided to narrow down your search results. You can filter by mode of transportation, route, and even time of day to find the most convenient options for your commute. For example, if you are looking for a bus route that operates during rush hour, you can select the bus option and choose the time range that suits your schedule. Best Places also provides a mapping feature that allows you to visualize the public transportation options on a map. This can be helpful in identifying the nearest stops and routes to your location. Simply click on the map view and enter your starting and ending points to get directions and view the route on the map. Another useful feature of Best Places is the ability to compare different public transportation options. You can view side-by-side comparisons of different routes, including travel time, frequency, and cost. This makes it easier to make an informed decision about which option is best for you. In addition to providing information on public transportation, Best Places also offers a commute calculator that estimates the cost of driving versus taking public transportation. This can be a useful tool in determining whether public transportation is a cost-effective option for your daily commute. By following these steps and using the features provided by Best Places, you can easily find the best public transportation options for your needs. Whether you are a commuter looking for a convenient and cost-effective way to get to work or a visitor trying to navigate a new city, Best Places provides a wealth of information to help you make the most of public transportation.